Today we are going to discuss the basic engine terminology. That means what are the basic terms used in the engine. You can see the figure of a simple layout of piston cylinder assembly. For better understanding, you can refer this figure. This is a simple layout of piston cylinder assembly, and the main components are, you can see, this is the piston, this is the cylinder. The piston can travel inside the cylinder in upward downward direction, means like this. Okay, now the piston is connected to the connecting rod. The connecting rod is further connected to the crankshaft. The upward downward motion of the piston is converted into the rotational motion of the crankshaft by the use of connecting rod. This is the working. Now we can discuss each terms used in this engine. First one is TDC. TDC means top dead center. TDC is the topmost point of the cylinder up to which the piston can move. That means in the figure you can see this is the TDC point up to which the piston can move in upward direction. After that, the piston should return back. And next one is BDC. BDC means bottom dead center. Like TDC, the piston can move downward direction up to BDC. That means BDC is the point of engine cylinder up to which the piston can travel. You can see in the figure this is the BDC point. Now we can discuss what is bore. Bore means the inside diameter of the engine cylinder. That is bore. Next one is stroke. What is stroke? Stroke is the distance between TDC and BDC. You can see in the figure the distance between TDC and BDC is referred as stroke. Next one is clearance volume. Clearance volume is the volume of cylinder above the piston when the piston is at TDC. You can see in the figure this is the piston at TDC position. Above the piston some volume is there inside the cylinder. This volume is known as clearance volume. Now total volume. What is total volume? Assume the piston is at BDC position, means this position. The volume above the piston in the cylinder is known as total volume. That is the volume of the cylinder above the piston when the piston is at BDC is known as total volume. Now what is stroke volume? Stroke volume is the volume in between TDC and BDC. The volume of the cylinder between TDC and BDC is known as stroke volume. It is also known as piston displacement or swept volume. Now, what is engine capacity? Engine capacity means the total piston displacement of all the cylinders. Suppose the engine is single cylinder engine. The capacity of the engine is the stroke volume of the cylinder. If it is a two-cylinder engine, then the engine capacity means the sum of stroke volumes of two cylinders. Like that, engine capacity is calculated. Next one is compression ratio. What is compression ratio? Compression ratio is the ratio of total volume to clearance volume. We know that total volume is this much and clearance volume is this much. So the compression ratio is the ratio of total volume to clearance volume. Now what is engine torque? You can see this is the crankshaft. Due to the movement of piston, the crankshaft will rotate. The rotational force acting on the axis of the crankshaft at any point is known as torque. Torque means rotational force. The rotational force acting on the crankshaft axis is known as engine torque. These are the basic terms used in the engine